Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to dig through some of my old makeup and I found this palette and I realized that I didn't really use this all that much at all. I think I used it once and I think I only used 2 shadows in here. So I just wanted to play with it. The colors look really pretty and I remember the first time I used it, I did really like it. So I don't know. I think it's just because I keep getting new makeup that I always forget about what I have. So I decided to dig back into this guy right here. And this is the look I created. I also did a little glitter wing as well. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, please keep on watching. I'm going to take this color right here and work this into my upper crease. I'm going to take this color and work this right below that crease shade. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that tone and really work that into the inner portion and then feather it out a little bit. I'm going to take this shade and using a smaller brush, I'm also going to really pack that into the inner portion. So now I'm going to lightly go over the lid with that color, but it's just going to be a wash. It's not going to be overly pigmented. I'm going to use this shade and start working into my lower lash line. I'm going to bring that down pretty low. I'm going to also add this onto the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to take this brown right here and I'm going to bring that also on the lower lash line, but I'm going to only keep it on the outer portion. I'm keeping that really, really tight. Now I'm going to apply a wing. So I added a little bit of this glitter liner from Urban Decay. It's their Heavy Metal Midnight Cowboy right on top of my black eyeliner. I'm gonna run this MAC Teddy into my waterline. I think I want to add a little bit more bronzer to my face, going in with MAC's Refined Golden. So going in with this Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, I'm going in with a larger, fluffier brush. This is a Moda brush. I don't really know exactly what it's called, but it looks like this. I'm just going to take a little bit of this onto this brush. I am breaking out and I have a little bit of texture on my skin, so I don't want to emphasize that too much, but I still want a little bit of a glow. So I'm only taking a small amount. Going in with this Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. This is in a medium tan. I'm going to mix all 3 of these shades and just blend it onto my cheeks. So for lips, I'm going in with Morphe Sugar Pie Lip Liner, and I'm going to go in with this MAC Powderkiss lipstick and mull it over. So this is a completed look. I like the way everything turned out. I felt like the look was looking a little bland in person. It looks a lot nicer than I feel like the camera's picking up, but I kind of wanted to spruce it up a little bit, and that's where the glitter liner came in. I felt like that made a really huge difference. But as far as this palette, I really did like it. I used 4 shadows today, which are the 4 on the bottom, and everything blended in really well. I only needed a little bit of product. I kind of got a little heavy-handed with a couple of colors, so that's why I decided to pretty much focus most of the pigmentation in the inner portion, just kind of blend everything out. So that's why I decided to go that route. But yeah, I really like the way everything turned out. I'm a huge fan of warm tones, so especially with fall being here, there's going to be a lot of warmer tone looks. So thumbs up this video if you like warm tones like me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.